All right. Uh, well, what a good big company here. Uh, Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, Webit. I'm really pleased to stay here today and tell you what we do at Get because, well, we believe that nowadays we stay in front of the doors which open new era of air mobility. And wireless charging and wireless power transmission definitely must be an essential component of that future ecosystem. That is why we are so inspired and so motivated by wireless power, and this is core of what we are doing at GetCorp. And I hope to show you something really new today, which you have never seen before. All right? So, let me jump right in the middle of our vision. And, well, if you, this is a map of petrol stations across Europe. So you can see that there are almost, 100,000 of stations which are fueling millions and millions of cars and trucks on a daily basis. So now what's about drone industry, say in the next decade? And if you think about it, probably you might appear with, thousands, hundreds of thousands, or even millions of drones flying every day across our cities for all kinds of applications, parcel delivery, surveillance, security, monitoring, filming, everything you can, think and imagine about drone. But what about fueling, right? All of them will need charging every day, many times a day. And we think that wireless power network is really the best and complete solution to the limited flight time dilemma. Because with such a network, we can keep drone hovering in the air forever, literally, until motors are dead, right? Of course, it took time to implement this concept, and we started maybe in 2015, right? Then we had just a really small prototype of a system, and we were able to power just small lighting bulbs. But we were also lucky to meet Tim Draper, which is the famous, VC in Bay Area, the guy behind DFG, who funded Tesla, SpaceX, Skype, and this is how we got incorporated. And already 2 years later, in 2017, we were able to take off the ground a big, heavy commercial drone. And that was a really, inspirational moment for us because we understood, yes, we can do it now. So just 2 weeks ago, at AUVSI Exponential, which is the biggest trade show of unmanned industry in the United States, and we demonstrated and showcased our Get Air Turn Key solution, which is basically a system capable to transfer up to 12 kilowatts of power inside the 10-meter diameter spherical area with 80% efficiency from the plug-in into the battery on board, in the air, on the drone, in the air. More importantly, we can charge such drone really quickly, just in 6 minutes in flight for the full battery, all right? Now, to explain you the concept and how it really works, I have here a small size system first. So this is really a system made based on the same technology, but it's a good explanatory tool to explain you what is going on here. So here in my hands, I have a sort of toy, a model of a drone. There are no batteries here, no power source, but they are equipped with our small size receiving system. So now, you have drones. You have a couple drones, many drones. They are on a mission, right? They're flying around, doing whatever job they need to do, and finally, they need more power. Now, with this system, drones just can go to the closest charging station, and all they need to do is really to get inside the spherical area where they can receive power. Bam. This is wireless power transmission, right? So this is actually a transmitting antenna here, the loop, which forms a spherical area of efficient energy reception. And drone can stay here in flight for a few minutes to charge full battery, and then just continue its mission, okay? So we can charge a couple of drones at a time, 3, 4, 5, whatever you have to, as long as we have enough power, as long as we have enough space here. That's number one. Number two, we really can, with such system, you can have a network of such stations. One is here, another one is there, and then drone can go from one, jump from one to another, and so you can cover a big area, big city with such solution. This is a picture of a real one in the field. And it can be placed on rooftops, in the air between the buildings, along the roads, in the remote areas. So really all you need is just power source, our equipment, which is big metal box with all high power electronics inside, and a loop, a transmitting antenna. And then, of course, drones equipped with wireless power receiving system. And once that is done, you have all bunch of benefits of wireless power transmission. First of all, this is all-weather approach, So it really works, regardless rain, snow, even, dust, whatever. It just works same way in the air. We just transfer electricity, right? No contacts, no risk of sparks, nothing like that. It's also absolutely safe, both in terms of biological concern and, which is very important, it's safe for your flying vehicle, because when your vehicle stays in the air, you control your vehicle. You control equipment on board. You control your data on board. Nobody can get access to it, right? And of course, it's efficient, as I mentioned. 80% from the plug-in into the battery. So this is rapid, efficient, and fully autonomous charging solution, which we are ready to implement today. Now, what's about future? Well, actually, we have exponential growth of power level during these years, and we're absolutely confident that in the next couple of years, we should be able to power big, heavy commercial, not just commercial drones, but drones for urban air transportation, like VTOLs, and that kind of passenger drones. Really to become a network of gas station for drones, to connect finally, us, people, with the sky, where this wireless power network, where this wireless power technology. So this is the vision which we are, passionate about. This is the vision which we are driven by, and which we implement here at GetCorp. So now that's almost all what I have for today, and I welcome you to enjoy a short video now of the real system working in real life. So, please. Thank you.